Today I'm going to be doing clip-ins for all those who are looking for ideas to just vamp up your look. If you have short hair, you know, you're just like, you know, I'm tired of being bald. I'm tired of not having anything to flip, to pop, lock, or drop. This video is for you. So if you need inspiration on what to do with your hair to make it look va-va-voom, this video is for you. This is going to be a clip-ins video, as you saw in the title. Like, can't get to the video. This video is going to be about clip-ins. Loxxy Beauty, they sent me these lovely clip-ins. They're 10 inches, but I straightened them a little bit because I don't want to do really curl. My hair is clearly straight. The hair that I do have is straight. So I'm like, you know what? Let me straighten it a little bit and let's go from there. I would insert a clip right here. Get into this. So I'm going to do a half, like updo, a half updo, and then some down. First, what you're going to do is you're going to get a comb. I prefer to use these kind of combs because it's just easier to part. So what we're going to do is just part half our hair. If I'm looking to the sides because I'm looking in my mirror, I'm going to part it to the side, in the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're not really going to see the part like that. By the way, I have dry skin, so don't be thinking my skin is ashy, guys. It's just I have really dry skin. For some reason, I can oil it all day, but 3 hours later, it looked like someone put flour on my scalp. So it's like a struggle I have. So we're going to put this half in a ponytail. It's more like an oxtail, but let's keep moving. So I'm going to section this part off at the back. I feel like we all know how to part, so probably don't need to show you that part. We're just going to section it off in the back. This is really simple, very easy. You want to get clip-ins that are close to your hair color or your hair color because nobody want to be seeing those tracks through your hair. This is supposed to be like a more realistic, like, girl. It's very easy, a quick clip-in kind of situation if you don't feel like putting sew-ins or weaves or wigs. can do, there's many ways, because clip-ins, you just take them out, clip them in. So there's so many different ways you can do this. I feel like it's self-explanatory. You can do updos, low dos, side dos, but I think this is what I'm going for today. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, to comment, to subscribe, share this video. Can you guys see me? Share this video with anybody, everybody, and don't forget to subscribe.